الله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. Assalamu alaikum. Read the Quran the easy way. Lesson number 3. See on letters with harakat. So let's start with prayer. Rabbi zidni ilma, which means, Oh Allah, increase me in knowledge. The 3 vowel signs, harakat. We will practice the remaining letters with these 3 signs. Make sure to keep your lips round while practicing dhamma. Remember to move your hand for thick and high, and very thick and high letters while practicing so that you won't forget. So the first sign is fatha, and fatha goes above the line, and its sound is a. The second one is kasra, and it goes below the line, and its sound is e. And the last one, or the third one, is dhamma, and it gives a oo sound and goes above the line like fatha. We will practice all of the letters with these 3 sounds: fatha, kasra, and dhamma. A, E, U. So let's start with the first letter, fa. Fa, fi, fu, fa, fi, fu, fa, fi, fu. And the next letter, qaf. Remember, this letter is a thick and high letter. Qa, qi, u. Qa, qi, u. Qa, qi, u. MashaAllah. Well done. And the next letter, kaf. Ka, ki, ku. Ka, ki, ku. Ka, ki, ku. And the next letter, la. La, li, lu. La, li, lu. La, li, lu. And the next letter, mim. Ma, mi, mu. Ma, mi, mu. Ma, mi, mu. Great job! Awesome! Let's move on. Ne, ni, no. Ne, ni, no. Ne, ni, no. And the next letter, wow. We, we, woo. We, we, woo. We, we, woo. And the next letter, ha. Ha, he, who. Ha, he, who. Ha, he, who. And just like ayn and ghayn, ha also has another form. So let's repeat that form 2 times. Ha, he, who. Ha, he, who. Ha, he, who. Well done! We're almost done. And now let's move on to the next letter. Baby Hamza. E, I, U. E, I, U. E, I, on it, like any sign on it, it becomes Hamza. E, I, U, E, I, U, E, I, U. And the next letter, the last letter, yeah. Ye, yi, you, ye, I, you, ye, yi, you. We have come to the end of this lesson. May Allah help us to recite, understand, implement, and propagate the Quran. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.